I'm Damien Lynch from Australia, Adelaide University, and studied mechanical engineering. Okay, my first pick was engineering, and that's the company that my internship is with is called Richform Offshore, and they are an engineering, design and manufacturing company for offshore pressure vessels used in oil mining. A lot of the tasks I was working on are pretty much core engineering, which is just using CAD on computers all day, computer-aided design, ANSYS, Microsoft Excel, the other three programs I used, and basically just sitting in front of a computer all day, sometimes talking with other employees about some mistakes or something, and just doing calculations and drawing. Interesting in the sense that this is pretty much what most engineers will do when they graduate, I think. So that was interesting. Finding out what methods they use and what software they use as well, that was good. The software they use is AutoCAD 2007, which is a little bit old and a little bit crude. I didn't learn that at university, but it was good to learn that in Chinese as well, because they didn't have English. It was the first 2 days just learning how to use AutoCAD, and the fact that it's all written in Chinese characters as well, so I had to sort of watch some video tutorials on the internet of like, look at the menus and write down the English, and then so I can relate that to the Chinese one.
Okay.
That was the biggest challenge. And the other employees, some did speak English, some spoke no English, so that was another bit of a barrier as well if I had a question. Super helpful, got along well with everyone. I could just talk to the guy next to me and just say, a simple question in Chinese, like, is this right or something, and yeah, he'd help me, and they were all really approachable. There was a language barrier, but it didn't really stop them from trying to help. Really good. Miss Wang spoke probably the best English in the company, so that was very helpful. If I had finished something or if I had a problem, I could go and talk to her and she would help me to the best of her abilities when she wasn't that busy. So, a great relationship. Yeah, well, if I do continue to become an engineer for a company, especially in mining, which is big, yeah, I'd definitely use it, because I'm pretty sure that what they do here is on par or if not better than what the rest of the world does for designing vessels. It's just like being in a big city anywhere else, except it works almost more efficiently. I feel safer here at night than I do in like Melbourne, for example. There are women that walk the streets by themselves at night. It's great. There's nothing wrong with it. You don't really need to speak any Chinese because there's no small talk with locals either. I don't know if it's like that everywhere in China, but you can just go into a restaurant and just point and you'll be fine. So it's good. Yes, the metro, the underground trains, I have English, so that's super helpful. Taxis would be a bit hard if you don't know any Chinese. I think the price of things. I love how cheap food and drinks are. That means that anyone can almost go out and do things. Doesn't hurt your pocket too much, which is different from back home where everything's nearly expensive. The efficiency of public transport is really good. I like that, and just the general helpfulness of people. If you ask them to do something, they'll really try to help you. Either if they're lying, if you ask for directions. I've heard that some people could lie. I haven't experienced it yet, but yeah, it's I'll miss just the general city and how it works, I think.